Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make king salmon using an easy method. First, ensure your king salmon fillet is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you prefer like dill or parsley. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for optimal cooking. Now, let's get that beautiful sear. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the salmon fillet, skin side down, into the hot pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 4 minutes. This initial pan-searing step is key to developing a wonderfully crispy skin and locking in the rich flavors of the king salmon. After searing, it's time to finish cooking in the oven. Carefully transfer the entire oven-safe skillet directly into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Allow the salmon to bake for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your fillet. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfectly cooked, flaky result. Once cooked, remove the salmon from the oven and transfer it to a cutting board or plate. It's important to let the salmon rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fillet, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Then, serve your perfectly cooked king salmon immediately with your favorite side dishes, like roasted vegetables or a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.